Hello, welcome back to my kitchen. Today, as promised, I'm going to put together a sweet potato recipe. I love sweet potatoes. And this one, putting these ingredients together, seems to be a winner with my friends. They have really loved this, and I do too. So how you start out is I usually use 3 to 4 sweet potatoes. Clean them, you peel them, of course, boil them till they're nice and soft, and then you whip them up into a smooth, nice smooth consistency so that they're nice and smooth. Set them aside so they can cool. In the meantime, you now want to make the topping. And in the topping, you put cinnamon, which is 2 teaspoons of cinnamon. Brown sugar. Cinnamon, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. Flour, 1 unsalted stick of butter. And you mix this all together. Get it kind of started. Add a couple cups of pecans, which gives it the nice crunchy texture. This will be what we put on the top. Then you set this aside. And now you take your sweet potatoes. Now to the sweet potatoes you add the rest of the butter, which is 2 cups of melted unsalted butter. Two-thirds cups of condensed milk. One cup of sugar. 2 teaspoons of vanilla. Kind of guess at this. I like vanilla. And eggs. Four eggs. You mix this all together. Now I put this in a prepared pan, grease it up a little bit, you pour this in, and now the best part is the topping, I think. And you sprinkle that on top. Cover it. Make sure you cover it with some foil, and pop it in the oven for about 25 minutes. That usually heats it all up. And by then the steaks ought to be done on the grill. So you have a side dish. Doesn't that make your mouth just water? Give it a try. Thank you so much. I hope you like watching. If you did, give me a thumbs up. Be sure to subscribe. I'll be back with another one. Bye. I'm not Rita Hayworth.
Is she a chef?
Yeah. No, but she's a famous actress. She can really put on a show.
Really? What did she do?
I don't know. Okay.